Hello everyone. I'm Herminia Malonis Pellegrino, a student ID number N41381803. My module is about continuous professional development, and my tutor is Miss Sandra Okwara. In the contemporary era of healthcare, mental health staff are gaining importance who are responsible for providing holistic care to the patient. In the organization, the development of organogram is helpful of defining position of the people. Organogram is regarded as the graphic representation in the era of organizational structure. The subdivisions within the structure can be understood with the use of an organogram, SASINA 2022. The job titles are included in the organogram. The organogram is important for showing the visual presentation of chain or flow of command. Therefore, the workers can get the proper guidance and direction regarding the proper mediation of work and responsibilities. With the help of this role and responsibilities of the employer can be determined. As per the above developed organogram, the CEO is the top position of the company, and the care head is working under the CEO. The head of the clinical nurses is responsible for providing quality care, as the patient and the mental health staff are working within the nursing department for ensuring the holistic care of the patient. From the organogram, I have identified the role of mental health staff with the organization. I will be responsible for taking care of mental health patient. I will deal with providing psychological therapy, especially for the patient of anxiety and depression. In my SWOT analysis of the role, I have developed a high-level communication capability, have developed the skill of understanding and emotion and feelings of others. My opportunities can be further developed proper and build trust with the patient by improving my communication skill. I can provide support for their daily activities as per the needs of the patient, such as hygiene, mobility, medication. My weaknesses have a problem in understanding different aspects due to the difference between the individuals. I have a problem in developing therapeutic relationship with client by controlling emotional bonding. With threat, I can face the issue of adhering to the principles of therapy, as the patient can expect personal connect from me. I can face the issue of devising a proper solution to the problem due to the lack of clinical thinking. My determinations of the weaknesses and areas of improvements, I need to develop the skills of creating proper therapeutic relationship. I also have the problem in understanding problem from different perspectives. Therefore, I will require to develop proper critical thinking. In my development, to develop critical thinking skill, I will join the career development course to enhance this skill by increasing judgment capability. To develop the skill of creating therapeutic relationship with a client, I will take an internship with a psychologist to gain the skill for adhering to the principle of therapy. To develop skills by understanding the symptoms of the patient, I will attend several seminars in this regard. Therefore, I can conclude that a mental health professional is one of the role in health and social care setting. I believe through this course and experiences, I have gained the skills and knowledge to pursue a role as a mental health nurse. I have to recognize my weaknesses, and I will work to develop my shortcomings to improve and provide effective clinical practice. Thank you.